What? So how one? A lily don't get thing?
No man, a lily down man, but you don't know say the whole heap of activity now go on right about now.
Lily don't get thing, you know man.
No star. You just don't know what's going on here right now. Answer phone star. Ja.
So how one? You're done with the farm fully and now.
Yeah brother, new venture. If I'm a new venture now, let me tell you the bar and the weed house. I tell you the two general them are run it. And tell me say them want me run it off. And so far it a work well. So I just go and tuck in and do my thing over there, so you know. You know more ask you. Land and circle back up here no time at all.
Yeah man. Every now and then she come circle up the block and come get her thing, you know? Straighten up the back, you know?
And which day she usually forward up here?
Well, she don't have no specific day still, you know. She normally in and out, because you don't know if you are ground up.
Woman, nah, take my call in a wish. She not say nothing to you about the incident. Where you going up here?
She don't say nothing to me. She just come by where she buy and cut. She don't even itch.
Jaja, woman do not take my call them star. Leave me.
Jano, like mama pray, man.
Boss, I can't believe that the man them seriously not gonna talk to Rankin.
No, them never go talk to him. But I know how them youth here move so giddy, you know. And it is have a daughter.
That me I talk about, and the man them depend some loose ball thing, coming like a butcher instigated thing, you know.
Me not understand. When it is him now start take orders from butcher, him a move Gigi. Now him did a boss one time.
Alright now, a vicious a move the smartest and him a move like a leader.
Boy, if I never one thing, you know, I just make whatever want happen to them happen. Because I tell the youth them, you know, go talk to Rankin.
So Rankin say today the hit for go down.
Yeah, you know, and that him say, I wanna have no other information.
So we know which area it gonna come from. For walking, driving and riding. And them not know nothing either, you know.
Them now gonna have a clue. I go make Tony and try see if she can score the area and make one know what.
Yes, Bubbles, be in place.
T. Over the camera them from between 13 and 21 and tell me if you see Hittis or Butcher anywhere at all.
Alright, may I do that now?
A woman them name in a brother. They hard for study.
But I do not try to study them in a car right now. You know what I'm mad, you know? I'm going over on the Spain there, on your block.
Boy, whole place set away in a fam. Did they hear what go on the news?
Almost every day from the year start. I tell you. So how it is and butcher? What go on with them?
I don't know, you know, brother.
What do you mean? Oh, me and them no link again.
Not too tough, you know. And them depend on a different thing, you know.
You know, so me hear Kingman attack the other day, I wonder if I them involved. So are them link with anything we are going over there?
No, but them a get blamed for it.
Jano. So Jenna, how the man them get them name a call up in a nothing over there so now?
Man, them just stubborn more while, man. Man, them not take no talk.
So as a youth, we move on a different level, you know. You never chat to the man them.
Now hear me I tell you, man, them not take no talk. Me not go over there go chat to him and them and me and him and them all jump off.
So how we really go on?
Until you say man they all go over 21 go page a one man. After that, he done go drop out. At that, them a get blamed pan, you know.
That don't even make no sense. The police slap what you done. So how them fair get? How for them fair call upon that?
Same thing me I say. But remember say one time them have over this as police informer, you know. So at that.
You know, so the youth them over 21 like them head no screw on right, brother. How them fair pre demand them for them things there? When it blatant say a whole heap of things are going over there so. And the police are getting involved now. Because the man around the place red. So police decide say them go over there quiet over there. The man them here one now. So them not link ranking. Because remember say ranking are the only man who can go over 21 go chat to them, you know.
And them coming like them not even take talk from ranking or king, you see me? Right now coming like anything ranking say wrong thing.
Oh, that's why King Man did the rat and I answer the other day. And I said the man them now move right. The man said the man them a move like ride planting. As you turn your back and left them so, them burn. Vicious. The man them have to be careful, you know. Because you see what jump off over there so, you see how them 21 youth they stay. Them will go for them, you know. So them have to make sure them know what them are doing.
That's why I have to low out them company. Because you see anything them do, reflect on me. And you have to remember say I have a business, I'm a woman right now, you know. So I have to do it right, you see it?
Jaja. Them say when I hear it, I'm not there. Can't believe what you attack so now in a vicious.
Can't believe it either, brother. Changes in life.
For real star. Yo, Vicious, remember the first time I forward a Spain and see you?
Yeah man, remember man. Then time they went up cheap up.
Yeah man. And then time them I kind of sick up to you, brother, because remember say, enough time when I see how you move, you know, remember me, because my head not good, brother. And when I see you move, I say, hold on, the other you can move so.
Yeah man, and that me I pray man. Cause me I wonder when I see you, I say, oh yeah, move so. I have to make you know so we're up on the ground and hold it off man. 100.
My overs fully. But me I tell you, say, you see, throw my ground back in the day. When me and King Man them around the place, and I say, hold on, how the little you can go on so? And me look, me see like you are deep. I remember saying, in a phone day, on the dip and come up with them things, you are big stone we used to run for them time, you know. So me I say, hold on, how the you can move, so I make 2 big. And still start look for 2 big stone. And I say, oh, youth, humble. Only to find out, say, me I'm a big friend and over there.
Hey.